Equipments used in chain surveying. Let us see the equipments used in chain surveying. Metric chain has a brass handle, 4 mm MS wire, ring and tally. Tape, which has a graduation on it, usually steel or Invar tapes are used. Ranging rods to mention a survey point. Cross staff to measure or set out right angles. Plumb bob to fix the instrument in center line of survey point. Arrow or peg to mark a station point. Offset rod used to set out offset points. Wooden pegs also used to mark station points. Mallet to hammer a peg. Field book to record the field observations and calculations. Stationaries used for marking observations. Geodetic surveying. Geodetic survey is a survey in which the shape of the Earth's surface is taken into account. The Earth is not a true sphere. It has irregularities in its shape. However, for measurement purposes in surveying, the shape of the Earth is considered to be spheroid. A line connecting two points is regarded as an arc. Hence, the angles P, Q and R between the intersecting lines are spherical angles. And the triangles formed are called as spherical triangles. Plane surveying. Now, we will see what is the plane surveying. When we do measurements, we do only on a small portion of Earth's surface. A plumb line at a point is parallel to the plumb line at any other point, and a level line is considered a straight line. Thus, line joining two points is considered to be straight line, and angles formed by triangles is a plane angle. Horizontal distance. Measurement of horizontal distance is the most basic operation performed in surveying and the most difficult as well. The horizontal distance between two points in a horizontal plane is the distance between the plumb lines through the points. When distances are measured on slopes, sufficient data should be collected so as to compute horizontal projections. Vertical distance. Let us consider ball bouncing above the ground surface. To know the height it has bounced back, we have to measure the distance from the Earth's surface in a vertical plane. Hence, the vertical distance is the measurement in a vertical plane above or below the Earth's surface or from the mean sea level.